Hello. Hello. Mic check 1 2. Mic check. Hello. Hello. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Hey, hello students, late today. What's going on with them? So the money was coming up. You saw the money was coming up. Screen share and look that like oh. Ready. What's happening? Alright, so I know this one was dark and very difficult for you all to see, right? Trying to move it on that side, even though this side big. See if I can. Alright, so we're just gonna give them my next minutes and then we'll have to start without them guys. What's happening? How are you today? Good afternoon. So go ahead and put on the computers, guys, right? All right, Sebastian alone missing. All right, so we're gonna start without Sebastian, and Sebastian will fill in, right? All right, do you see it? All right, so present the day again, guys, right? You all put on your computers, right? Right, you all put on your computers, please. Okay, All right. So guys, make sure you all put on the computers. Right, so now about 15. That's right. Yes. It's supposed to be You check out the ASCII and this on the picture. And what cool things you all did with your web page? You all did anything nice with the web page? Huh? Anybody did anything cool that you want to show me? This, right? Oh, that's a good one. So it's closing like this thing. All these ones are supposed to have the slashes. When you end ones, it's have the slashes. You want the slashes from here. That's what it is. No slashes in front. The last one is coming. I really don't know who is up with this computer today. I can't get it. I can't see that set. You all can see the words? It's very small, right? Right, so guys, we finished last session looking at ASCII, right? And remember the difficulty of dealing with ASCII, right? Right, we have to know this table that tell us, right, what number is what representation, right? So coded in HTML, right? So you guys have to have this at all time. But imagine you all don't have this and you don't remember it. How difficult would that be? Huh? It would be difficult, right? Now, your grass, right? You always able to do some really cool things, right, Christine? Some really cool things last class. Now today, I want to show you guys how it has evolved. I'm going to put the power in your hands today, right? You're going to be even doing more cooler things today, right? And a very good example of this is the physics column, right? You are too young to do physics. But I imagine that you all, when you all get to secondary school, you're going to be doing physics, right? Present? I know you are. You started physics as yet? Right, so you still have it, right? So, this is called physics coloring, right? Right? And I don't know which one of you all have your little coloring kits at home that when you mix the colors, you get a different color. Whoever tried that? Right, when you mix the color, you get a different color, right? When you mix the two different colors, you get a different color, right? Right? The reason being is because of what's called coloring. Alright? Now, this is physics, right? Which is science. And science have been considered into the program. You have this power at your fingertips, right? And you're going to do that today. So, physics column says when you shine white light through a prism, it breaks down into its constituent parts. So, white light is made up of red, green, and blue. In programming, we call it RGB. Say it with me. RGB. Right? The R means red, G means green, and the D means blue. So you all gonna do your own color science today. And let me see what interesting colors you can come up with, right? Let's take a look at this picture. Right? This big circle here, right? This one, right? That one is green. You're seeing that? Let me see if I can demo this on it. Right, so this is the pointer. You guys should be able to see like laser thing. So this one here, right, is the green, okay? And this one here is the red. All right, guys, you all seeing that? And this one here is the blue, okay? So this is what this chart is saying. This chart is telling us when we mix green and blue together, we get cyan. Or cyan, very good. Which is basically like a lighter blue then, right? So we get cyan, right? On top here, when we mix green and red alone, we get yellow. You all see that? When we mix green and red, we get yellow, right? Guys, when we mix red and blue, what we get? Purple, which is magenta. And when we put back all the different colors together, we take all the different colors and put them back together. White. So that is why white is in the center. White is where all the colors combine, right? In the center, right? So red overlap blue, overlap green. So overlap them, give us back the white color. Right? So you all remember that web page you all had yesterday? Where there was this part of it saying color and you all choose your color, right? Now, yes, you all gonna have the luxury of writing this code here to say RGB, right? And just as you write it, RGB, this first 0 represents the R value. This second 0 represents the G value, right? G is green, right, guys? And this last 0 represents the blue value, right? In programming, 0 means 0 light, literally, right? The maximum value is 255, all right? So you're gonna try it now. If we say we want 0 blue light, 0 green light, and we want the maximum red light, is the color gonna be red, guys? It's gonna be red, right? Because only red light is present, right? So I'm gonna come on this side now, guys, right? And we're gonna do that quickly. Let's see how well, right? You all could experiment with the colors, right? I'm gonna quickly see how well you guys can do there. Just take out this laser pointer. All right, so I think I'm on right to this screen, right? Let's see what I'm going to be doing there. I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to put it here, right, guys? You guys can see this, right? So this is the red, right? This first 0 here represents the red. So we want the maximum value in red, 255, right? But we don't want no blue and we don't want no green. So we'll put them at 0. You all seeing that? We put it at 0. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna save this, guys, right? And this is the save sign, right? So we save it, right? Now what we want to do, we want to open that web page, and I already have it open, right? So bear with me a second. Let me find this up on the screen. I have it open here for you all, right? So let's move it across here now. So remember, we just changed it to only give red color, right? So when I press the reload sign, what color is this going to change to? Red, right? So let's try. Voila! You all see that? All right, so we're going to go back to the code, right? And we say, all right, we don't want no red light. We're going to put 0 for that value. We want all green light, right? So we're going to put the green light to maximum, which is 255. You all see that, guys? We're going to save it, right? Now, when we go back to the web page, what's going to happen when we reload it? It's going to be green, right? Voila! You see that? All right, and last but not least, let's try only blue, right? So we put in the blue to maximum 255, and all the other components are going to be 0, right? I put everything to 0 there, and I'm going to save it, right, guys? And let's go back to the web page. And when we reload, we're supposed to get this thing changing. Voila. Right, so to do purple, what did the color wheel say we have to combine? To do purple, right? I'm gonna bring it back up for you guys, right? 1 second. Let's see where it is. This one here. So to do purple, look at the color wheel. To do purple, right, which is magenta on the color wheel, we had to combine red and blue, right? So we need maximum red, maximum blue, and we get magenta, which is purple, right? So let's go back on this side, guys, and I'm going to show you all that quickly. So what we need, red and blue, right? So we have the blue being maximum. Now we need maximum red, which is 255, right? So when we save that and we reload it, what's going to happen? We're going to get that color, right? That purple, right? Look at that. See that? If we need this cyan, what do we have to mix? Green and blue, right, guys? So, what I have to do, I have to come back here and I'll say, okay, we need green and blue only, right? So, I have to set the red value to 0, okay? And I'm mixing the green and the blue now. So, I'm putting the green to 255 and the blue to 255, right? And let's save it, right? And let's go back now. Oh, we expect this to change too. Green and blue, cyan, right? So let's try that. Voila! You see that? The only thing we haven't done is yellow. And yellow is what? Maximum green, maximum red, right? So let's go back to the code, guys, right? And let's do maximum green and maximum red, right? So we have to set the blue value to 0. We don't want no blue, right? So we're setting the red to 255 and we set the green to 255. So we have maximum red and maximum green. Those two colors combined, based on the color wheel we have on top there, is going to give us yellow, right, guys? So let's see. When I reload it, we're going to get yellow. You'll see that? If I put maximum red, blue, and green, what do we get? White. Very good, Christy, right? So, if I put this now to be maximum, it's going to change to white, guys, right? 255. And can we see it? Will we be able to see the tree? We should, because the background is white too, right? Let's see. Oh, it's gone. You see why? You see why it's gone, guys? Because the letters are there, they're white. And the background is white as well. So it's there, but we can't see it because it has the same color as the background and there's no distinction. Very good. So now, guess what? We're going to change the background color. Right? Let's see if we can change background color, guys, quickly. Let's see. All right, so we know the text is there, but we can't see it. All right? So we have color for the text and everything, right? But now we want the background to change. All right? All right, so this styling here is for all the H1s. Okay? Let's see if I have one here that could do that for you guys very quickly. All right, we're going to see the word, right? We're going to change the background to black. All right? And we should be able to change that very quickly. Let's see. All right, so you are going to follow this, right? So I'm going to write on the style, background color, all right? And you're going to follow with that, right? So check it out. Right on the H1 here, right? We're just going to add, right? Background color, like that. And we're going to set that background color using the same RGB, right? And we're making it black, which is no light, right? No light, no green, no blue, no red, right? Right? And then we put the semicolon like that. So we set in the background color for the H1 to be black. Now remember, the text itself is white, right? Now the background is going to be black. So we can see this distinction now, right? With the white text and the black background, right? So I'm going to go ahead and save that. All right, let's go back to it. Let's see if it's going to appear. Didn't appear, guys. Let's see what's going on. Background color. All right, I'm going to use a different color. Let's see how that looks. On the other side, I'm going to try that. Just. I'm gonna take this out of the H1, right? I'm just gonna put it in regular styles to style the entire thing. Let's see if that works. Save it. Let's reload this web page. All right, it came up. Right? But not exactly how I wanted it to come up, right? So, 1 second, guys. All right, so I'm going to teach you all a little trick, right? So I'm going to remove this from here. Right? We wanted to style all the H1s using this concept, but let's try a color. We're going to state what color, right? We're going to use blue. Right? Let's save it. Let's go back to the web page and let's see. See? Look at that. So when we put blue, it works, right? You all seeing that? So remember, the text was there all the time, but we can't see the text because the background was also white. So when you make the background blue, then all of a sudden the text appear now, right? Because the text was always there, just added white, right? Your eyes missing? All right, so guys, there's a next way to do it, right? Instead of doing it here, I could remove this from here, right? So you're gonna try some stuff, right? And I'm gonna use it exactly inside here, right? And let's see if we could specify RGB and so on here now. We're gonna see if we could do just that, right? So we wanna style let's show that Control X. Right, I'm gonna put in a H1, right? A H2. I have seen Sebastian, you did this, right? You put in a H2, not so? Yeah. Right, so we're gonna style this H2 separately, right? With background color and stuff, right? So let's try this. Control X. Yeah. So we're gonna write style. You all see this? Style equal, right? Could be setting this style directly. All right, and we need quotation marks. So you're gonna try this on your own, right? And we put that information in that we want the background color to be blue. All right, you all seeing that? Yeah. Yours is the rainbow. All right, so just I'm gonna take a look at it, right? You all tried this already with the colors? Any of you tried? Look at that. Look at it, guys. You can see the tree right here, right? You all see it? You can see this tree have the blue, right? Now, let's try the RGB inside of here, instead of writing blue. So we're gonna say RGB, right? And we wanna use red, right? So you're gonna say 25500, like that, right? And that should do, right, guys? And this one, yeah, this one here, we want this one to stay blue. All right, so we're gonna put back the background color as blue on top here, right? So we know that that's gonna work for sure, right? So we're gonna have two of them now, right? One gonna be in red, one gonna be in blue, right? So you're gonna try this for yourself. Look at that. One in blue and one in red. This one in red, look, it's here. If we wanted to put this in the center here, guys, what should we do? If you want to put 3 right in the center here, right? We could apply an alignment, right? It's as simple, right? So all we have to do is put a comma here and then put the alignment, right? And we will get it to align in the center, right? So you are gonna try it, right? Right? You are gonna try it now. And let's see if you could make a color, right? That's really, really nice. You're gonna experiment and see, right, how much of each color you need to put in, right? Who think they could make light red? How would you do that? White and red. No, white is all colors. White is all the colors. So to make light red, right guys? Maybe what we could do, instead of putting maximum intensity, we put a small portion. Let's put 100, right? And let's see how that is gonna look, right? Let's go back and check it out. Do you see how dark it is? We lighten it just now. Let's see what happens. Yeah. You see it get darker, right? Because we didn't put. All right, so I'm gonna change it from 100 to, let's put it at about 80, right? Right. Let's see how doing 80 affects the red, right? Let's try. All right, you guys see it get darker, right? Because we ain't even seen the tree again. You're seeing that? Just getting closer to black. Right, because remember, black is 0, 0, 0. So when we drop the 255 and reducing that number, it's getting closer to black. You're seeing that? And when we put the intensity, it gets closer to red, right? Where's the T? The T right here. Right. See it? It was just hidden, right? So you all go ahead and try, because we're gonna move around to some of this stuff, and I just need you all to experiment coloring, right? Because programming gives you access to the science at your fingertips. So you this yourself, right? You'll have to get trouble. Yes. Right? Yes. What's going on? Where did it come yesterday? Where charging? So you want to put any background color, right? Combining different portions of the colors, right? To make it more good. Let's see what some really good colors. Oh, wow. Okay, so this idea, this is really cool, right? So, this idea. Right, so you can see you have H8, H9, right? All is three letters. Right? Let's go to text align center, text align center, text align center, text align center. The 150 is not equal to 220. No, it's 220. So you want everything to be straight, change everything back. Right? Everything is a little. Hello? Are you yellow? Green and red, right? So mix smaller portions of green and red. So drop 255 to like 200. 1 second, right? Alright. Let's see. So you listen to some of them. Then you can save it now. Right. And then so that's how they prepare one paper. You know that. Right, now one goes to black, we go this. You know, like this. This one is called learn as e.html. Right? Let's see if we can find it. Let's see, we have my first web page. None of them have the same name. The name of the file and everything is called learn as e, right? Let's find learn as e. Is it? No, it's in my first web page. There's a second, guys. Okay, yes. There's a space between. Okay. So, what did you combine? Right? Red and green. And red and green is yellow, is here. Right? So you know how to make your colors, right? So guys, one thing I want to remind you, right? RGB are called primary colors. Okay? When we combine the primary colors, you get yellow, cyan, and magenta. Right? These colors are called secondary colors. Right? You made good? That's a really interesting piece. Right? So you all experiment, right? Let's see what cool colors you all will come up with, right? So you can choose any value between 0 and 255. Let's see how cool they will come. So Ashel, this is the same. Alright, the idea in the last 3 letters is moving. 1, 2, 3, 9. 9, right? Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Each 9. Let's see what. That's how it's going. What is a different color? Right? The color is the same size. So, anything, it starts from this. You have copied everything. This was instead of using so each this one will be 1, 2, 3, 7. This will be 7. Okay, so what's it for that? It's not enough. Okay, then you change buttons. Each of them here, you change buttons. Okay, then you 6. And that's it. Alright. So the time. 40 the last. Alright, nice. So you're just using 255 to do. Alright, use 100 for the instead. Change the blue to 100. Let's see what you what happened? Second baby account. Next class. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I need to ask you, right? Instead of 255, you're going to put it to 100. So now, okay, if you put it to 100, then just get closer to everything needs to go. Right? So is it going to go back? Right? See that? Is that? Go to the back. Yeah. Nice. Right here. See the same kind of application over here? Right. Alright, what's that? What's up? You combine different colors together? Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to show you something cool. You can take a look at the code of the page right from within the box. By taking the button left to a Again, take the FX sign, then 12, then come up, and the power. Yeah, so let me take another look at it. Yes, so guys, right, so let's see styles, see if we have the styles. Right, so yeah, let's try this one, take a look at it, right, so see the code with this 12. So this one looks really, really interesting. Let's see what you do. Right, 25, 18, 25. Wow, this is an interesting color. This looks like dark green. This is really interesting. All right, guys, you'll try 25, 80, 25. 25, 80, 25. You'll try that, right? 25, 80, 25. 25, 25, 80, 25. You get that green, right? Interesting, right, guys? Yeah. 25, 80, everything going to be good. All the 6 is going to be good. All the 6 is going to be good. Right? So you have up to H6 to move because H7, right? It's not going to fit. Right? So I'm going to take the same styling. Right, wonderful. All right, guys. So the important thing that you're learning here is that the programmers, the people who came up with this, right? They put the science in mind. All right, they put the science, all the work of the science is coded into HTML. So when you're writing HTML code, you have that power at your fingertips, right? Can imagine you could be combining your own colors on the computer to make any color you want, right, Sebastian? All right. So we're gonna be going to something even more important, right? Seeing that we've already taken a look at this, we're gonna be moving on to some really, really important stuff, guys. All right, but it's important that we start from here, right? All right, so you all tried it, right? You all see that it works. I have mine on the text align, right? Right, so it must have started something. Remember we said that computers only speak the language ones and zeros? And the reason why computers could only understand ones and zeros is because everything inside the computer, Sebastian, all the parts inside the computer are electrical. And with electricity, is either the light bulb is on or the light bulb is off. When the light bulb is on, that signifies one. It needs current is flowing here. Alright? There is power available here. Alright? And when no current is flowing, we say that is a zero. So all the circuits inside the computer, right? All the stuff we look on that side is either we have a logic level of 1 or a logic level of 0. A logic level of 1 means the switch is active and you get current flowing there. And a logic level of 0 means the switch is off and we have no current flowing there. So all the circuits in the computer, when it's switched on, right, they all have their little ones and zeros up. And that's all that is going on in the computer. Ones and zeros, right? So the first programmers had to program the computer using ones and zeros. Look at this, guys. This combination of zeros and ones meant something. It meant the computer should read some value, right? And then this combination of ones and zeros meant that the computer should jump to a next value. Just see that? And can you imagine if you all had to remember these ones and zeros to program the computer? How difficult would that be? ASCII is already a little tedious in that you need to refer to the table, right? But guess what? Those people are very considerate and they did the hard work for us. So we don't have to do that hard work anymore. Right? Like nice ones, right? You know what they did? They decided future people shouldn't have to take this hardship of learning ones and zeros to program the computer. So they developed second generation programming languages, all right, where things get a little more English-like. Look at the syntax, guys. It says the computer should begin, right? And then that is the code, which is equivalent, right? So that is the machine language, which is equivalent to this assembly. Pause, right? Move, pause, move, add. You follow that? And so you can see they developed this set of procedures. And these procedures substitute for having to remember the actual ones and zeros. Right? And then this assembly language in and of itself is not very easy. So they say, you know what? Let's refine it a bit. Let's make it easier for future generations to write code and develop applications and program the computer. Right? So that's where we get third generation programming languages. And look how it looks now, like regular language, right? They say mycon.open, and it's opening some kind of database. And then you see it say do while. So computers being asked to perform a task while some condition remains true. And you see if. It's saying if whatever is going on in this table, average of it is greater than 75, the computer must print. Right? Whatever name is in that location on the database, and it should terminate that if condition and move on to the next element in the table. And look, it says looping, which means this process is going to repeat itself, right? Right? Now, third generation programming languages, you can see it has certain quantities. For the first time, we could begin to write code in the way we would speak to each other. Right? It was machine independent. There's no ones and zeros there. Let me write it this way. There's no ones and zeros, right? Okay? There's plenty of examples of this. And that's what you guys are going to be doing now. Right? Look at the examples. Right? Algol, Basic, C, Cobalt, Fortran, Java, Pascal, C++, Perl, Python. You guys ever heard any of those languages? You guys ever heard anything like that? No? Python, Java. You heard Python before? How about C++? You heard that before? Alright, guys, you all know all the games that you play on the tablets and cell phones and on the laptops? You don't know Java? Think about it, guys. All the games that you're playing on the phones and on the computers now, on the Xbox, they are developed using this language, C++. Mojang, game. Yeah, Mojang was most likely developed. The source code for Mojang was most likely developed.
Yes.
Right? So, you are learning these tools now. Right? Right? Let's look at it. Let's say you all learn this stuff, right? And then you all go home and you all sit down with it. And you all create a game. Yeah? And then you go on work create it on the tablet, on the computer. Right? And then they say, oh, Christine from Trinidad and Tobago, how old is she? She's 10 years. Right? And she made this game and everybody's playing it. Right? That's the vision I have for you guys, right? Question?
I was creating my game and I stopped. When this class started, I was not to it and I just created it.
You was coding game? Before? So I want you all to be able to do the actual program, right? Because as you real world. Alright? So you all say it with me when I say, right? Pascal. That's the first one I'm going to teach you guys. Right? Say C++. Right? Say Python. Those are three of the most significant programming languages in today's world. Alright? We all have to use these things, right? Pascal is a little outdated. But why is it significant for you guys? Because you guys are going to go to doing information technology at CMC. And information technology, you're going to have to master Pascal. So here what? I'm going to let you guys master that in a session. Right? Master writing Pascal would be set. Good? IT. Right? So, let's take a look at it. So we developed third generation programming languages which are machine independent. And then we didn't even stop it. Guess what they did? They said, let's continue to make some refinements. Let's continue to make it easier for future generations to write code and take advantage of the power of the computer. Right? And they developed fourth generation programming languages. And fourth generation programming languages. Let's look at this is an example, it's SQL. Right? This is what it says. It says select name, comma, average. So we're selecting name and average, right? From results. Wherever the average is greater than 75. Look at that. Right? That have nothing to do with any ones and zeros, that have nothing to do with any procedures. Right? Like this one we talk about procedures. Why? Okay? And this is called fourth generation programming language. And we can see what the focus on the intention of fourth generation programming languages are, right? So the focus of fourth generation programming languages is on database management, which is very important, right? Your parents working in companies, database is important, right? Reports generation, the manager, the CEO, the chairman, they rely on reports to make crucial decisions, right? For the progress of our company and web development, website development, right? So, fourth generation programming languages are focused on these things, right? Guys, we have some examples. SQL, Focus, MATLAB, right? Whoever in this room goes on to be an engineer like I am, and the actually gonna come engineer, right? You will have to do MATLAB, right? And MATLAB is one of the most powerful tools. Right? I'll show you guys some tricks and so on. That's some very interesting stuff. You guys have the power at your fingertips if you do MATLAB. Right? Accelerator, LabVIEW, and there's many, many others. Right? So I just picked some of the big names and I put it on screen. Right? So the ones I'm going to be introducing you to is SQL. Right? Say it with me. SQL and MATLAB. Right? MATLAB. Right? Normally, you all have to finish high school, finish sixth form, and get to university before you guys learn about MATLAB, before you guys learn about C++. But I intend to change it, right? Because children, other places in the world, are learning these things, right? From by the time they are 7 years of age, right? Right? So you guys are gonna make a difference tomorrow. Alright? So I want to show you guys on this screen, right? A little snippet of code, right? And then you guys are gonna follow with me, and I'm gonna show you guys how to develop using Dev Pascal. Alright? So I'm going on this side. See if I can get it quickly. See if I have Pascal here. Right? Pascal here. Let's see. Try emails. Alright, so guys, what you're looking at is this is C++. That's what C++ looks like, right? This is the language you use to make all those computer games and the games on the cell phones, right? In today's time, that's C++. This is also C++, right? See what else I have. Yeah, okay. I have 6. See what I can find. Number 1. All right, guys, take a look at this one. This one is Python. This one is Python. All right, you're seeing it? So that one is Python. All right, and this one is particularly important, right? This is the code I use, right, for my computer vision research. All right, you all get to take a look at that, right? This one you see here. Right? This one is Pascal, right? For, I'm only saying this one is Pascal, right? See if I see anything. This one is Python as well. Right? Python, Pascal, right. All right, so what I want to do for you all now, right? I'm going to show you all how to start your development in Pascal. Ready? You all have to follow my instructions, right? Everybody, open your browser. Open your browser. That's the first step. After you open your browser, the little window that you all see here, that's called URL. URL. Say it with me. URL. Right? That's close. It means Universal Resource Locator. Right? It's a way to locate on a network the information that you need to pull up on the website, right? That's what your browser uses. But you're going to learn that in the future, right? So when we get to here, guys, we're going to type, look at me, we're going to type dev, DEV, Pascal. Dev Pascal. DEVPASCAL. Dev Pascal. And click enter, right? Dev Pascal, right, guys? Dev Pascal. No internet? Alright, so everyone who don't have the internet, I'm gonna sort out the internet for you guys, okay? Everybody who don't have the internet. I'm gonna fix that issue, guys, don't worry. Sebastian can't dance. Right, so you are not connected to the internet. Right, come, let's see what we are doing. You have it.
Plastic chair. I shoot. Yeah, everybody. I
Alright, so let me have it in the notes. Alright, so you are looking, right? When we get here, right? You are looking for this one. The one that says Dev Pascal official website. That's what you're looking for. This one. Right. Dev Pascal official website. Huh? Wait, you have it in Chinese? What happened? You just said the Dev Alright, everybody, you are seeing this one? That says Dev Pascal official website. You are seeing that one? I put it on this side. Right, you all seeing it, right? So you are searching Dev Pascal, right? And this one that says official website, right? That's the one you want. This zoom it out so that you know. Right. Everybody, right? Click that one, right? Click that one. That says Dev Pascal official website, right? So when you click it, guys, you're gonna get to this website, right? Guys, so it says here, this is our latest version 1.9.2. And you can see the licensing and you can see what operating system we use on, right? No. So what we want to do, we want to download that latest version that says, right, compiler, right? So click this link, and when you click it, it's gonna download that, right? So everybody click the link and download DevPass 192.8. What's loading? Right, so guys, we're gonna save it on the desktop, right? Everybody save the left-hand pane. You want to scroll up and click desktop. We're gonna save it in the desktop, right, guys? Huh? So you're not paying attention. All right. So when you get to the website, you scroll down, and then you click this link to download it, right? And then you want to scroll up and make sure you click desktop, and then you want to click save. Get it? Alright, see what it's all about. Yes. Right, so look at this. Wait for the other, right? You get it, Sebastian? Right, so remember, guys, you just go into the download link, right? And you click the link, and then this is going to come up on the screen, right? So go to the next step, and you can save, right? Get it? You download it twice. Twice. So, fortunately, you are it. Does it already on the system?
You press on this?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't do it twice. I don't do it by time that I
You got your
delete.
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 That's right. How about should I get one dead on?
Delete. Delete. Delete.
What should I get one dead on? Yeah, you know what?
So we start just that one maybe need some charge. You charge for the know that one? So everybody already download their Pascal, right? Everybody download their Pascal. Right? So when you click save button, guys, when you click save button, right? You're gonna get it to download. I'm gonna save on the desktop. I'm gonna show you all the rest of the process from here, right? Everybody have it on the desktop?
Who wants the titles? Shut. She wants that. So my thing say, okay,
You get it? It's good to know. Everybody download it?
Yes.
Right. right, guys. That's it. Sebastian. All right, guys. So you are supposed to download this thing by now. Right? I see my screen thing up. I'm just gonna close it. Right? So you all wanna click the download file, right? Save, and then you're gonna get this thing here, right? You can click the arrow and go to show in folder. All right? So you can see it on the folder now. And I'm seeing the folder on this screen in front of me, right? So I'm gonna bring it across. So that you guys can see it, right? See how big it is? Gosh, it's really big. I can't see it. Yeah. Right. Yes. Right, everybody. So when you double click on their pascal.exe, right? Their path192.exe, right? You're gonna see that thing that she was just talking about. Right? Right. What you want to do is to click yes. Okay, guys? When you click yes, it's gonna come up to install. Alright? You get it, baby? Right, very good. So you're gonna get this on the screen. You're gonna get that on the screen. You're gonna click I agree. So look, you gotta get it now, right? Alright, so everybody's on that screen, right? So we're gonna click I agree, right? Click I agree. Everybody click it. I agree. And then go ahead and click install. You all click install? You all click install? Right. So wait for the green screen to finish. And then click done. Click close. Click the green button that says the button that says close. Right. Right. And when you finish there, it's already installed. I know, Shreya, you went ahead and you rushed the whole process. So she have it installed. Sebastian. Sebastian. Alright, so guys, after you all install it, I already installed it, right? After you uninstall it, you're gonna run it. It's gonna come up on your screen. It's gonna come up on your screen. It came up, guys. Right. Yeah. So you're gonna click OK, and then click OK again. Right, and it's gonna load, guys. Right. Everybody have it. Right. Right. Everybody have it. Wow. That's all. Right. So, guys, I want to show you what now. The next step in the process. Right.
Some people see my legs, but you see I'm on Some people see something weird or something like that.
All right, so guys, right, you're seeing this on the screen, right? I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it across. I'm gonna move it across to this screen. It's gonna be a little challenge. You all should be able to see, right? All right. So to get to this, what I have, right? I'm gonna show you all something. Right? To get to this, you're just gonna click File and click New. Right. You're supposed to see something about projects on your side. So you all go ahead and see if you can click New Project, right?
New project.
Right. New Project. File, New Project.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
When you click New Project, right? Right? When you click New Project, what you want to do now is click File again. Right, guys, you all see that?
Yeah.
And you want to put a new. Right. Yeah, you're gonna see that come up on your screen, right? I'm gonna show you all what it looks like. That's what you're all gonna see come up, right? And you wanna click Empty Project. Empty Project. You click it, new project, right? And then you're gonna see this new project that come up on the screen, and you click Empty Project.
I don't see that. And then use it.
Show somebody what. So you all, when we do that, when we have empty project, right? We're gonna call it a name. Click OK. The name is gonna be Kids Summer Camp, right? All right, Kids Summer Camp, right? You all can type that? Huh? New project, Kids Summer Camp. Right, you all do that? Kids Summer Camp. You all got through that?
Okay, the same from
All right, so we're gonna click OK now, right? Because we now created our new project. You all see that? All right, check this out. Next step, we have to go now to project options, right? Right, so you're gonna see project here, right? Yeah, mine's going on. So you're gonna see something on the screen up directing you to save the project, right? You all see it? You all seeing this on the screen? Right, yeah, you get through it, right? Hey, what are you doing? Sebastian? Close up. inside here. I already have something typed, so I'm just gonna paste it in. Look at that. Not this. It's fun, right? You're gonna type it, right? So guys, look what we're gonna type now, right? The first thing we want to type is the name of the program. Okay? So let's try to type the name of the program, guys, right? So to type the name of the program, we go in the top right hand corner and we type program and we put a space, right? Right? So the name of the program is Hi, right? And listen, we can't use any spaces, okay? Whenever we write in source code, we can't use any spaces, right? So Hi, okay? Hi, and then we have to use an underscore for the space. Hi world, okay? So this is your first program to say hi to the world. All right, guys? So when you type hi underscore world, then you put semicolon, right? Then you put a semicolon. So program, right? And this is the title of the program, hi world. That's the title of the program, guys. You all see that? That's the title of the program. All right? That's the title of the program, guys. You all see that? That's the title of the program. So we write program hi world. All right? Now, guys, the next step, right, is we must write begin. This is now our program, right? We're gonna write begin. Right? Now, you just type in one, type in it. Begin. It don't have to be in all caps, okay, guys? So you don't have to put it in all caps. It can be like that. Begin, right? Normal. Now, when we write the code, every begin must have an end. All right? So we kind of want to put the end in one time. So end full stop. You all see that? End full stop. Right? End full stop. Begin and then click enter to go down. End full stop after the end. Right? Y'all doing that? So this is your first program to say hi to the world. Okay? So we have begin, then we have end full stop, right? So between the beginning and the end is what we call the body of your code. Right? This is where you're gonna put your code now. Right? You're ready to say hi to the world? Yeah. Everybody ready to say hi to the world? Christian said you reach where we are there? You're behind?
In this space.
Right, be in this space between begin and end. Yeah, baby. So right, that's the space you want, right? That's what you want to do, right? Alright, so guys, we're gonna write our first, right, program to say hello to the world. Okay? You all ready? So, in order to put something on the screen, right? In order to put something on the computer screen, you have to use what is called a construct, right? So follow me. We write right line, right ln, just like that. Right ln. You see that? Ln. We open and close our bracket. You see that? And we put a semicolon outside. So this right line construct, whatever we put inside here, goes on the screen. And we can say hello to the world. Alright? Now, we're gonna put text inside here. What we're gonna say? We're gonna say, hi world, welcome to programming. Right? How are we gonna say that? Alright, you can say it in Spanish, right? So, to do that, guys, we need these quotations. Right? We need these quotations, right? I'm gonna show you how to get quotations, right? To get the quotations, you are pressing the button right on the left-hand side of the enter key. Right? The button right on the left-hand side of the enter key. quotation. We're saying, hello world. Hello world, right? And then we put full stop. Welcome to programming, right? Voila. And we have our next full stop, right? Hello world, welcome to the program. Don't see the sense? This is a full stop, guys. And that one is also a full stop. Hello world, welcome to programming. You all seeing that? All right, so we want to click this thing on top here called project. You all see project? On top, project. Yeah, we want to click the thing on top called project, right, guys? Right? So remember, you're typing right line, okay? When you open and close bracket, and you need your quotation to put the text on the screen. Hello world, welcome to the program, right? You want to change that full stop to an exclamation mark, right? Because we are putting emphasis. We want to shout hello to the world, right?
Hello.
That's what we want to do, right? Right. Oh, I do need it. Sorry, guys. Right. So hello world, and we have an exclamation mark, right? You want to shout it, right? You want to say hello world, welcome to programming. You all ready? You all ready?
Yeah.
All right. So we go into project and go down to project options. So Shreya, when you miss a step, you see what happens? Right? Alright guys. So we are almost there, right? So what we want to click here is load icon, and you are gonna see this thing come up, right? It's not gonna look the same. But what you want to do, you want to select PC. You'll see run on PC. Right? This PC. Not touch screen, right? So you can actually touch the screen. Right? So after you all select this PC, right? You want to go down to local disk C. You are seeing the disk that has C in brackets, right? Sebastian, click load icon. Load icon here, Sebastian. No, that's not the load icon. Load icon. Right. Click this PC. Right. And you want to go down now. The C, right? That's it. Right? So everybody double click on the drive with the letter C. Okay? This is what I mean when I say the drive with the letter C. You will see that C here. Alright? Now, the name could be different. For instance, you might be seeing Rona. You see Rona?
Yeah, I see window.
Okay, so we might be seeing window. The name could be different, but the drive letter is always the same. So it's drive letter C, and you want to open that, right? And look for Dev Pascal. Look, you'll see the folder here. folder, all right? And we want to click on icons. Remember, it's icons reloading, right? We want to click on icons, and we want to select the book, right? Because you're learning. Icons here in this folder, the password folder, you see icons. Click icons, and then you want to choose any one of these icons, right? You want to choose what icon you want to choose, right? I'm going to choose the book, and I click open, right? So you can see it is now loaded. Look at the icon right here. You can see the book icon is loaded for this project. Right, guys? You see that? All right. Now, once you all have it here, you all select your icon. Miss Ashley? Alright, so what's that, guys? You should repair something here. Who see the green tick?
Yeah, me.
Right? You want to have a green tick in the place where I have this yes and the two yes coming together. Right? You want to have a green tick, right? So you're going to click that green tick. And it's going to ask you to save, right? The file. And we're going to save the file as what? Kids summer camp. And remember, no spaces, right? Kids underscore summer underscore camp, right? That's what we need. Right? Kids underscore summer underscore camp. You see that?
I do it, yeah, because we play.
Question.
Kids underscore summer underscore right next to with the box space.
Yeah, we keep it in PS, right? Very good. Besides asking a question, we keep it in PS. Yes, we keep it in. Do not delete PAS, right? Dot PAS. Okay?
Oh, I didn't even touch that. Oh,
Alright, so here we're gonna let me save it on the screen. Let's save it. Put something in here. Alright? Alright, everybody in there?
Yeah.
Alright, so click, type it. So make sure you type in kids underscore summer underscore camp. Right? You all do that? You all type kids underscore summer underscore camp dot PAS. Take a look at it, guys. It says dot PAS, right? And then we're gonna click save. Look at that. And then this compiling screen gonna come up. And it's gonna say compilation completed. Right? There's no errors in our code, 0 errors in our code, and it tells us the size of our object file, our executable file. Right? Very good, baby. Right? What output size is 0? Okay. Yeah, so something is wrong with the project. See that project happen. Right? So guys,
It was
yeah. So it should be showing size of output file, right? That's what it's supposed to be showing, right? See it? So you see it as kids. Right? See. Right? Yes. So rewrite the previous one. Right? Now click the green. Right? It says icon file has to be changed. So click on the option, icon, control the icon to do so that right? Okay. Now you can click the green. Okay? Got it. Voila. Right? So guys, everybody should have this screen. You all have this screen? Everybody have the screen? All right, you did. Yeah. something come on the screen quickly and it's gonna disappear. You see it? If you click execute, you're gonna see something come on the screen and disappear. You're gonna come on quickly and disappear. Alright? To see what is on the screen, this is how we edit the code to see what is on. We write read line just like that. Read line with the open and close bracket, and then you put the semicolon, just like that, guys. Alright, so editing code, this is how we interact with the output. Alright, we put what is called an empty read line. So we have read line, open and close bracket, semicolon, right? And we want to save that. We want to go ahead and click the compile button again, the green tick. Right? Right, so you just put in read line. When you execute now, guys, look at it. You're gonna see the thing on the screen, right? Finally, you're gonna see it on the screen. Take a look. Hello world. Welcome to programming. Voila! Voila! Everybody have that screen?
No.
Everybody have that screen? That's what you have it. That's what you have it. Right, yeah, because you have this still on your data. If you have something wrong with not going to compile it. And that's something you have to remember. You say you have it, maybe? You have it? Alright, so you guys having trouble. Let's see if we can fix something. You guys having trouble. You guys having trouble. Right, guys have trouble. Okay? You have to solve, guys. Okay? Alright, let's see what's happening. Suppose your partner comes back to you. Alright, so look, in 5, alright, move on project 5, right? You want the wrong project. That's what's going on. You never created the in some of that. Look at that. Alright, look at it. Right? This just said to get through now. Right? Click execute. Let's see what's going on. Hola! Hello world, welcome to programming. This is the problem. It's a semicolon. Right? Semicolon. It's supposed to be right in line. Right? Remember you make mistake, it's not gonna work, right? Alright, look at that. Hello world. Welcome to programming. Right? So guys, just before we finish the class, you're gonna write your name, right? You're gonna do my name is, alright, so we're gonna close this, right? We're gonna close this one too, right? Continue, click continue. We're going back to here. And we're gonna, right? Just the empty line goes down to the bottom, right? And we're gonna write right line, right? Okay? You all seeing this? You all seeing this, right? I'm gonna write, my name is, right? You all seeing it? My name is Mr. Long. You all seeing that? get the space, you just click enter. Right? So you come here and ready? Right, click enter. Right, hold on. So you click right line. My name is, right, Mr. Law, right? Now you're gonna write your name, right? So when we compile it, we click execute, and we're gonna get that information on the screen, guys. I have it here. I'm just gonna move it across. So look at it, guys. Right, look at it. You're seeing that? My name is, right? So you guys wrote your first program today in Pascal. You compile your first program and you have it on your screen. Right? Voila.
You missed my name is Sasha. We have to press now to execute. My name is Sasha. Hello, my name is
Faster than you could do. You said something on the board? Let's see what's going on. Hold on. Why? Because you have the quotations missing. You need quotation here, and you need quotation right. Right. So that's what we put text on the screen. You don't have that. They say that there's two others. Read line, right line. That's a cool, right? It's slow. You might need a faster process. Right, yeah, let's go. Okay. So, yeah, it's not supposed to be UV light. It's having M3 light. Okay. That's it. Alright, so guys, if you have the wrong code, it's not gonna work. You'll have to follow the instructions that you see on the board accurately. Right? Any slide errors, solve it. Okay. That's good. Go ahead. That's not baby. Okay, let's say yeah, you get 2 errors. Right, because you have it open already. Look at that. You have it open, you can close it first. Alright? So if you have it open, you go already, you have to close it first. So you will make changes. Yes. Yeah. Alright, get it? See right now? Right, and because you have it open, right? You have to close all of that before. Okay. Hola. Hola. If you forget, oh, it's supposed Okay, that's what it's supposed to be. And then you need the end with the full stop. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's see. Okay, so this one is missing. Good. Voila. Hey guys, look at that. Don't get your part. Give yourself a clap. You would normally have to be 15, 16 years of age before you do this in class, in high school. And you are doing it, right, from now. All right? So by the time you get to 15, you're already doing things that the 15-year-olds don't know nothing about. All right? Okay? So give yourself a clap again, guys. Well, it's not great. Yes, Mister? Because once I click enter, it is going to disappear. Click enter. See? Yeah? Alright, guys. So, you all gonna replicate this when you are at home, right? When you are at home, you're gonna replicate this and you're gonna experiment with it. Right? You're gonna see what you could do on your own, right, guys? Alright? So you all own yourself a well-deserved break. That's it for the session today. Right? You're gonna go and get refreshments, right? Snacks and refreshments. Alright?
Why the program people, like, so fun in the route that